and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I'm super excited for this video because I've been waiting so freaking long for this package to get here, and it's finally here. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to unbox in this package is the eyeshadow palette that I got, and my friend got this for me for Christmas. So it is called the Beauty Killer eyeshadow palette, and I'm so excited to try this out because it came out, I believe, a year or two ago, and I've been dying to try this. Oh my gosh. So anyway, let's open it. This is what the packaging looks like, by the way. I'm so sorry, I'm getting so excited, but here it is. It has like gold lettering on it, and it's adorable pink packaging. So freaking fierce. I love it. Okay guys, so here's what the palette looks like. It's in pretty baby pink packaging and has gold lettering on the front. So pretty, oh my gosh. And this is the Beauty Killer palette, by the way. Okay, so once we open it, we see a mirror, and this mirror is super nice because it's not one of those wonky mirrors where it'll like kind of distort your face shape when you're putting on your makeup. This one is actually really cool and really good. Okay, so inside here are the colors that come with it. They're really bold, which I adore because I love bold eyeshadow looks, but that's me personally, not for everybody, of course. This palette comes with 10 shadows, and you get a lot of products per pan, which is really cool. It's like a lot bigger than most eyeshadow pans, I would say. It's about the size of my thumb. I have a really small thumb. So we're gonna start off with the first shade in the palette, which is called Star Power, and it's a really hot pink shade. It's like truly a hot pink, like Regina George pink, basically. Okay, so we're gonna swatch that on my arm right now. It's my first time swatching this color. Feels really nice. Oh, feels really nice, and oh my gosh, really pigmented. Look at that, freaking look. This color straight up looks like a flamingo on my finger. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here is this color swatched. Ooh, okay. So that's super pigmented. Let me just clean up that swatch a little bit. I'm not the best at swatching, but I'm gonna try to make it pretty. Okay, so here is Star Power swatched. It's a very hot pink Regina George kind of color, if you know what I mean. It's very in-your-face pink. Kind of looks like a flamingo, but if it was more hot pink. But yeah, this is Star Power, and it looks really pretty on my skin. It's a matte pink color as well. Okay. The next color we're going to be swatching is called Princess. It's a really pretty kind of lavender color, but it's like a very light lavender. So kind of like pearly lavender, I would say. And this is what it looks like on my finger. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Here is Princess right underneath Star Power. Just like I said, it's a very purpley kind of lavender silvery color. It does have shimmer and glitter in it. It's very like subtle shimmer though, so it's not going to be blinding, but it's very pretty. Okay, so the next shade is called Violence. It's a really pretty purple, kind of looks slightly shimmery, not very glittery, more shimmery than glittery. So yeah, let's swatch this one. Oh, this one picks up a lot of powder. Okay, this one's gonna be really nice, I can already tell. Okay guys, here is Violence. It's a very deep purple, majestic kind of a color. I really like it. You can't really tell that it's shimmery. It kind of looks more matte, but it is a very pretty purpley kind of royal purple color, and I really like it. I also did notice though that it had a bit more fallout than the other ones. The other ones didn't really produce much fallout, but this one kind of like crumbled a bit on my arm, so I had to clean it up with a makeup wipe a little bit. But other than that, it's really pretty. So yeah, there is Violence. Okay, next up is Rich B. I'm not gonna say the full word because this is a family-friendly YouTube channel, or at least I hope it is. So yeah, this is the gold color right here that I'm gonna swatch on my hand. I did swatch this a few times, but I did notice that it was kind of chunky, which I didn't really like. Kind of had fallout on my eyes, but it's really pretty gold. Like, you see what I mean? It kind of goes on chunky. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Like, on my finger, when I swatch, you can see, like, chunks of golds coming off. So it's, like, not, like, the smoothest to apply, but it is really pretty color. So I'm gonna go swatch that on my arm. There is Rich B on my arm. It's very golden, very metallic as well. There is a lot of fallout with this one. I don't know why. It's kind of, like, crumbly, if you would say, and it kind of crumbles when you apply it. So maybe you would fix that with like maybe some setting spray if you combine that with the eyeshadow and make it more pigmented and kind of hold it together instead of like crumbling everywhere. But yeah, that is Rich B, and we're gonna move on to the next shade. Okay, the next shade is called Courtney. It's a very pretty kind of like transition color. It's almost pink in person, but also tan, if that makes sense. So a combination between the two. Kind of looks like the color of ballet slippers. This one is very nice. It's very smooth. I'm so sorry my swatches look weird, like they're the wrong angle. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So yeah, this is Courtney. Again, it's like the color of ballet slippers, pretty much identical to it now that I mention it. Yeah, it's a really pretty pale pink color. So yeah, now we're gonna move on to the next shade, which is called Expensive, and it is an electric blue metallic color, and also has more glitter specks than the other one. Oh my gosh, I just messed up my swatches because I accidentally touched my hand with makeup remover on it. I'll be right back, I gotta clean that up. This is Expensive, the blue shade, and I really love the little green flecks of glitter in it. I think it's so pretty, and it would be really cool to smoke it under your eyes or like on your eyelid as like a really bold, dramatic eye look. So yeah, next up we have Confession, which is my personal favorite. Kind of looks like cranberries with some shimmer in it. I think out of all of them, Confession has to be the one that is like the most easy to glide on and definitely the most buttery. It's super smooth and there are little shimmers in it, but it doesn't make it chunky like the gold one, and it goes on really nicely, and I really enjoyed this one as a lid color. It looks so beautiful. I wore this recently to a holiday party and I got a lot of compliments on that, so if you want a lot of compliments or you want your makeup to look bomb, throw on a bit of Confession onto your eyelids. The next shade is called Vanity. It's kind of like a purple gray black color. It's very dark and it is matte shadow. So yeah, this is Vanity right here. I really enjoyed this color. This would be really cool as like a smoky eye look because it's very matte, and in person it looks way more purple, I guess, and it's also like gray color as well. Second to last shade is called China White. It's just a matte white eyeshadow. It's very simplistic, I guess. So let's just go ahead and swatch that on my arm. Ooh, very nice and smooth. I like this one. Kind of feels like baby powder. Here is China White. It's a very matte white shade. It's a pretty basic color. Blends like a dream. So yeah, next we're gonna move on to a shade called Black Rainbow. It's this really beautiful black color with like little glitter shimmers in it. Kind of has blue, pink, and white glitter in it, which is really unique. Ooh, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Can you see the glitter reflecting on my finger? This one is so pretty. I never want to take this shade off. This is like my spirit animal. Okay, so here is Black Rainbow. I'm so sorry, I can't like twist my arm like this anymore. It's starting to hurt. So here it is on my arm. It's very pretty, pigmented, and it has those pretty glimmer shimmers that I was talking about, so you can kind of see it as I twist my arm. Super nice. I really like that shade. Okay, and that is all of the shades in this palette. So here they are swatched on my arm. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the shades on this palette, and now it's time to move on to the liquid lipsticks, aka my favorite part of this whole video. So for today's video, I have 6 Jeffree Star lipsticks to try out, and of course they're all liquid lipsticks. For his liquid lipsticks, he recommends that you shake it for about 5 seconds before using it, so that's what I'm gonna do here. And today we're gonna start off with like my least favorite shade, which is Flamboyant. I really do like the color of this, but the formula of it isn't really good in my opinion. Like, I don't know what happened. Maybe I got a faulty one, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. But first I'm just gonna remove my existing lipstick. By the way, this is Bobbi Brown in Neutral Rose. It's like my new favorite nude. But anyway, yeah. Okay, so now all of my lipstick is off. I'm just gonna go in with Flamboyant and do a swatch for you guys. This one smells so good. It smells like watermelon because it's from his summer chrome collection. Oh, it's so good. As you can see, this is what the applicator looks like. It's a doe foot applicator. It's pretty big for a liquid lipstick. It's like kind of more of a thick formula because it is kind of more metallic, but it's not like his other metallic shades. This is more so in between a matte and a metallic, so yeah.
I'm sorry if I seem uninterested or I'm not listening or I'm indifferent. Truly, I ain't got no business here, but since my friends are here.
Okay, so here's the shade Flamboyant. The camera probably isn't picking it up, but this shade to me is kind of streaky, so I don't really enjoy wearing it. Other than that, it's a really pretty coral shade. You can try to build it up, but even if I build it up, I've tried several times, it still stays streaky for me, and I don't know why. Really pretty though, despite its streakiness. It's like kind of metallic, but not really metallic. It's more of a matte than a metallic with like some shimmer to it, but not too much where it's overpowering. But this would be a really pretty summer color to wear outside because it's very fiery coral. Okay, so the next shade coming up is called I'm Shook, and this is in collaboration with Manny MUA. So I really love this one in terms of packaging because it has holographic stars on the top, and then the black cap looks really cool, so I really love this. Anyway, let's get to swatching this one. The shade is really pretty, by the way. This is my first time swatching this one, so I'm super excited.
People who don't even care about my well-being. I don't dance, don't ask, I don't need.
Okay guys, so sorry about the messy application, but here is I'm Shook. I think this is my favorite color out of all the lipsticks that I bought today. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It's kind of like a red, but it's not a red at all. It's more of like a red and pink were mixed together, and it kind of looks it looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. And it feels great too. It's very lightweight. It's very lightweight. This is a gorgeous shade, and I urge you all to get it before they discontinue this collaboration between Jeffree and Manny, because oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite shades from Jeffree. Woo! So right now my lips are getting a little bit stained, sorry about that, but now we're gonna go on to the next shade, and I think I'm gonna try Dirty Money. This is a really cool shade. I've never seen a shade like this ever, and I tried this on once and I really like the color, so I can't wait to show you guys today. This is what it looks like in the tube. Straight up, it looks like money, like the color of money. So yeah, I'm gonna swatch this one now. This is another look at the applicator. It does pick up quite a bit of products for each application, which is good, so you don't have to keep re-dipping into the bottle. So yeah, let's swatch Dirty Money.
A boyfriend, so you can't go back. Please enjoy your party. I'll be here somewhere in the corner under clouds of marijuana.
Alright guys, so here's the shade called Dirty Money. I am obsessed with this color. It's so unique and it puts out a statement every time I wear it. It's such a bold color and I love it so much because I feel like not many people go after these types of colors, but I feel like this green is so wearable. It looks a little bit weird, but it's like the kind of cool weird where you can kind of go with the flow, you know what I mean? So yeah, I feel like out of a lot of different green colors for liquid lipsticks and stuff, I feel like this is a really wearable color, and it's also kind of muted, so it's more so just like for maybe a look that's going for a pop of color or for like a cool special effects makeup. But yeah, this is Dirty Money. Alright, and the next shade is also one of my other favorites, and it's also a green color. This is Crocodile Tears. If you guys don't understand, I live for bold colors. If you guys look at my Instagram, literally every other lip color I'm wearing is a bold lipstick, so I really live for these colors. Just a heads up on this formula, this one is a little bit more liquidy than the other ones. I'm not sure why, but yeah. My spirit animal in a bottle, oh my god.
In the corner under clouds of marijuana with this boy who's hopping, I can hardly hear. Oh, with this music I don't listen to, and I don't wanna get with you, so tell my friends that I'll be.
And here is Crocodile Tears. Just one swipe coverage and it's totally good. This one you might have to dip in a little bit more since it's a little bit more liquidy than the rest, so just be aware of that you might have to use a bit more products. I love this color. It is a really nice color to wear for winter. It does make a bold fashion statement, and it'd be really cool with maybe like some gold accents on the eyes, or if you're wearing any jewelry. Now we only have 2 more shades left, and these are both in the red family. The shade doesn't want to come out of its packaging. Alright, here we go. Here is Unicorn Blood, one of my favorites as well. This was one of the first Jeffree Star lipsticks I ever got as a gift, and I've been in love ever since. It smells like root beer.
Over here, oh here, oh here, oh, I ask myself, what am I doing here?
Woo! This is a dramatic fall color for anybody and everybody. I feel like everybody needs unicorn blood in their collection. It's a really popular color of Jeffree's, and I can see why. It is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. It is like the perfect fall color, and it's like a burgundy, and it's like a really deep red color, almost like wine, I guess, and it feels so comfortable on the lips. This one is also more of a liquidy formula, just like Crocodile Tears, so you might need a little bit more product again to finesse it into the lip. I feel like anybody can rock this. You just have to have some confidence, and of course, some unicorn blood. So we finally made it to our last shade, which is Redrum, also a fan favorite. It is literally the perfect blue red for anybody. It is an awesome red lip to wear and rock. Okay guys, here is Redrum, our last liquid lipstick that we'll be swatching for today. This is the most beautiful red lipstick ever, and it's perfect because it's not too drying, and for liquid lipsticks, they're not really dry. They're more so just feel like a layer on your lips, but a very light layer. You can barely notice that they're there, so I really like this color for the winter time when I'm trying to do some classic holiday glam looks. And yeah, this is Redrum. So a big thank you goes out to all of you guys who have made it to the end of this video. I really appreciate all of you guys that have stuck around. It really means a lot to me and all the videos that I make. It makes me feel really happy. So yeah, I hope all of these swatches did his products justice in case any of you guys were looking into purchasing them. And also I wanted to wish everybody a happy holidays and an awesome new year. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and I'll try my best to answer. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below as well, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I make a new video. But until next time, thank you all again so much for watching, and I love you all. Bye!